Hey guys, it's Xcraft episode, I think, yep, 7. Episode 7, and in my first episode I asked if anybody would want to name my horse, and I found someone who had a good name, so let me just bring that up. Hold on. It's on my phone, hold on, this might take a while. It won't take too long, hold on. Okay, I got it. So this guy's name was, his name for our horse was Wilston. So let's name this guy. I just need to move my webcam. It's a prob, I would say. So do I have a name tag here? Let's check in my red backpack. Yes, I made a new backpack, name of my old dog, and then my lucky backpack. So, yes, I have 2 name tags. Good. So, let's name my dog here. We'll name it... Oop, darn it. I shut off my iPod when I wasn't exposed to. I'm so dumb. Okay. So it's WINTON. Wilson. There we go. So we are now going to name him. Wilson. Here we go. So now we got our horse, and last time again we built a new house for the villagers, so we're going to put some decorations in there now. So let's do that. And please remember to leave a like if you like this episode. And let's see what we're going to add in here. Yes, and I did a workbench. And so, let's see what we have here. And yes, I'm a Steve. Offline again. Not promising. So, let's see here. What do we have here? We have some wood that we can make into a chest. Just to decorate in the place. But I know they can't use it. Let's see here. We got some cobblestone we might want to use. Make it into this. Make it like let's make a little bed. We want a bed. I'd like to make it a little cool place for our people to live. That'll be pretty cool. There we go. There we go. So, let's go over here. Oh, wait, nope, over here. I always forget where our stuff is, and we need to take that down because this is getting annoying around here. Let's take this down. We don't want this around here anymore. I built this for a breeding station for the villagers. I thought it'd be a good idea, but unfortunately, it's not. I thought it would, but it isn't. Let's dig this down. Yeah, my new shovel is gonna break down now. So that's disappointing. Boy. Every time. At least I made a new backpack that I can hold stuff in. The problem was my craft backpack. It's weird. It's not working properly. There we go. We'll get rid of the rest of that later. And I built some more of this. Looks pretty good. So, I put carpets in here. And yeah. So let's get our this, and there we go. So we'll put this right here, this right there. Wait, we want, where's that crafting? Fine, we'll make another crafting table. I did not know we did not have another crafting table here, but that's fine. That's fine. So let's get back to work here. Let's get back to work here. Okay, let's see here. We want to mine down this. There we go. There. I want to put this there. Wait. Yep, there we go. And then, what else do we want to add? I think we want to add, let's add a pressure plate, because this is not looking too well. Now let's head over here. We really need to expand to our place, but we'll do that later. Now let's go to bed because these crickets are annoying. So yeah, it's a rainy day today. I wish it wasn't, but yeah. So now let's get this down here. There we go. I have new armor because my golden armor was it didn't break. It was just very low, and I didn't want it to break because it was very hard to get that. There we go. Now what do we want here? I guess we could make a campfire, but I do not want this to break down. That would be horrible if it did break down, because it's not fun when stuff breaks down. When stuff breaks down. There we go. So I think we'll leave it like this. And I think we could make a railway to somewhere. I don't know where we could make it, but we could make like a fun railway to somewhere, but I don't know where. I don't know where we could make it to, because I have 39 railway, and then I have like 6. I'll go check how much I have, but I have a whole lot. I know that. I know I have a whole lot of railway in here. Yeah, I have 64. So we could make a whole lot. And then I have this. And then I have 3 of these. I think we should make a cool fountain place. That'll look cool. Let's make a cool fountain place. Like, how about like right here could be like the square hall. Yeah, that would be cool. So let's line up this. Put it, where do we wanna, where did that go? That went somewhere. Oh, I already had a whole bunch of dirt. Oh, there we go. There. Let's destroy a bunch of this grass. Yeah, we really need to make a breeding station for these villagers, because there's not a lot of villagers around here. Here, let's go check how many villagers are around here, because it's quiet. It's very quiet. No villager. Is there a villager here? Nope. No villager here. Villager. Where all of our... Did all of our villagers die? I think all of our villagers are dead. Yeah. That's... We only have... The only villager we have is down in here. He's the only villager we have. Wow. We should name him. I feel bad. Wow. We need to make some more villagers then. Well, boy, that's not good. That's bad. Well, let's make our fountain then. I think it should be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. I think that's good. Go, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, boom. Oh god. We want that. Let's dig out this. There we go. Darn it, we really need to work on this a lot. Okay. There. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That will be. This will be the size of our thing. I need to go make a thing, or I am not going to be too happy. Let's take our this, that. Shovel. Go. This. Thank you, my spear kind of shovel thing. I forget what the diamond minecart calls it. I like it, what he calls it. It's cool. I think he calls it a... Sometimes he calls it a... I forget what he calls it, but I like what he calls it. There we go.